This is Hank for the Wildflower Bee Farm. This is November 10th, 2023. Now, this is a willow hive, we call it, swarm that came to live in this hive this past year. So this will be its first winter. What I'm trying to, and it was very windy, so I apologize for the shaky camera. What I'm trying to understand, and I'm slowing this down so you can see it here, and I'll put the entire video at our website. I'm trying to understand the different strains of bees that could be represented here. Remember, on the farm we have carnelians, we have saskatraz, we have buckfest, we have zabo, which I described from the provider in Guelph. So I'm very interested to know what your thoughts are, but it sure looks like there's a wide different group of bees. Also some new hats. You can see the hairy bodies, as I call them, furry bodies, coming and going in the hive. And part of this could have been an orientation flight, because for elimination, it doesn't make sense, as the bees have not had any days where it's been really too cold to fly. This is Hank for the Wildflower Bee Farm. You can watch the rest of this video at our YouTube channel.